Hello, welcome to Santa Rosa Junior College. We call it SRJC. We have several sites and we're here on the Santa Rosa campus, where international students take most of their classes. I'm Kot, and I'm a business major.
Hi, I'm Carmen, and I'm majoring in engineering.
One of the things I love about this college is its beautiful architecture and park-like setting. It's great to be able to study in such an ideal location under the warm California sun.
Now let's go over to Plummer Hall. This is where you'll find admissions and records and the International Student Program Office. The international staff is very helpful, so stop by to meet them as soon as you arrive on campus. Just a few footsteps away is the health clinic, where you can get most of your health needs taken care of. They'll also make referrals to local doctors and explain how to use your health insurance.
You'll often find yourself here at the Bertolini Student Center,
where you'll meet your academic counselor. The Transfer Center will help you learn about your options for transferring to four-year universities. It's possible for international students to work part-time while taking classes. Our Student Employment and Work Experience offices can help you find jobs. On the first floor of Bertolini, you'll find the Student Affairs Office. International students are encouraged to become active in student government and clubs. It's a great way to meet local students.
We have a cafeteria where a variety of foods are available, and also a large dining area. Students gather just outside the cafeteria in the area we call the Quad. It's a great place to make new friends. Now let's go over to Doyle Library. I spend many hours here. There are comfortable, quiet places to study and areas for working on group projects. And there's also a free tutorial center.
This is Magini Hall. It's home to business and computer studies.
Many of my classes are in this building.
SRJC has a 100-year history, and Annalee Hall is one of our historic buildings. This is where art classes are taught. Just outside Annalee Hall is the lawn area where our graduation ceremony takes place, under our treasured oak trees.
We have a large athletics program and lots of physical education classes here at SRJC. International students are on many of our sports teams.
While here, you'll have the chance to attend plays and concerts, as well as audition to be part of the performances.
We hope you have enjoyed your tour of Santa Rosa Junior College.
It's one of the most beautiful colleges, and the people here are so friendly and welcoming. We just know you'll love it here.